National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bristol County in southeast Massachusetts, Bristol County in Rhode Island until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Swansea, or 7 miles east of East Providence, and was moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Some locations impacted include Fall River, Taunton, Bristol, Somerset, Barrington, Swansea, Rehoboth, Warren, Freetown, DIGHTON, and Berkeley. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds and large hail. Go indoors and stay away from windows. Drivers should prepare for low visibility and avoid flooded roads.